Now, finish, pigs. Because I'm being such a journey.
There we go. So welcome to Black Rock Market. It's super early in the morning and it's already super sunny and we are so lucky and everything is great and I love it and we are so happy and
it's
the
so
dog
nice.
is so happy, he pees everywhere and it's just so
and
cool.
It's sunny and
It's just amazing here. Just getting a coffee now. So we just got our amazing coffees and they're really, really tasty. And the next
You
stop...
haven't even tried it.
I did. I had. And I burned my tongue straight away. Next stop is breakfast. Starving. Well, look how he's treating the ice cream there.
Very good.
Like Rambo. I think I'm gonna go for the kofte wrap and maybe a samosa there. So one samosa for me, one samosa for you. And then oh my god, look at this zoom. Jesus Christ. There you go. Being cool and shit. Oh yeah. Oh, hello. And look at this. Super tasty samosa.
They're a tribute band, aren't they?
Nice.
I think so, yeah.
Come on, give it a bite now.
Look at her.
What's in it? Like it's just chickpeas and spices and...
It's potato and like peas, usually traditionally, and a lot of spices. Very good.
And I got like a kofte wrap kind of thing. It was all freshly made. I had to wait for like 5 minutes, but that was alright. I bet it's incredibly tasty. So yeah, let's go for it. So this kofte thing was literally one of the tastiest things I've ever had.
Yeah.
Hands down. It was one of the tastiest things I've ever had. Look at this, like everyone and everything is just enjoying life here right now. It's amazing. Look at that. It's like people everywhere.
Very interesting. It's cool, right?
So we were just about to come back to the market, but now it starts raining, so we bailed, and we will head home, I guess. Oh Jesus, that's mad. Look, it's so dark. So we just got back. Look at this. This cat, eh? This cat is hilarious. Buttons, you hilarious. Huh? What you doing, cat? What you doing there? Huh? Pigs get paw. Paw. Pigs.
Paw.
Paw. Pigs paw.
Paw.
Paw. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, good boy.
Good boy.
But you gave it to Jess and not to me. It's not good. Okay, I'm next. Let's stand off. Pigs, why are you doing this? Just let her chill.
No, not pizza. What's in the bin now?
Jesus Christ, so that's what you get when you temporarily share a household with two women. Now I have to go down to Tesco, all the way down to Tesco, and only for one thing, which is Lee and Parents Worcester sauce, or however you pronounce that, I have no idea. Worcester, I don't know. If I'm saying it wrong, please correct me in the comments down below, that would be lovely. So yeah, we're about to have dinner in like 20 minutes, and then maybe we go down to the beach again, enjoy the last actual day in Dublin. Got it. So this is our dinner. A vegan shepherd's pie. It's gonna be so tasty. Oh my god, look at this.
I would have liked to have had green cabbage or something else. I didn't bother. That's grand.
So what's in there?
So this is a vegan shepherd's pie. So it has gorgeous, delicious Irish rooster potatoes with olive oil, and then on the bottom it is lentils with tomatoes and onion and carrot and mushrooms.
It smells delicious.
Yeah, it is.
It looks delicious.
It
It is delicious. Oh my god.
I just know it is.
Pixel is about to have a little bath and he hates it.
He hates it. I know.
He hates
Bobby.
it.
I know, Bobby.
It's okay, Pixel.
It's okay.
And now he shrinks down to half the size.
Poor Bobby. Poor little mom pig. I know, you hate it. You hate it, you hate it, you hate it. It's only a little bath, Pixel. Only a little bath.
Look at the rest of his body. He looks like a lion now.
No, he hates it. It's just to get all that shitty flea dirt off the pigs. Be really good for you. He really hates it. Oh, little mom pig.
Petrified.
I know, little mom pigs. We're nearly finished now, pigs. Nearly finished. Okay, go, little mom pigs. Now, finished, pigs.
Because I'm being sucked down.
Terrible. Poor little mom pig.
And then he's going crazy soon.
He's hating it.
Look at his legs. These 4 sticks. Just chopsticks. Oh, what happened to you? What happened to you? You look like SpongeBob right now. Come on.
He looks like SpongeBob.
Yeah.
Pixel! All he wants to do is go down the grass and rub himself. Come on, Pix! Oh, his little heart is going. Oh, no. You're not going to be anyway, is she now, Pix? It's going to be really good for you. All that sand and grit is gone. It's really cool. Oh, Jesse is never going to like a towel again. Get it off.
Oh my god. So upset.
Yeah, you got it. Poor Bobby.
Oh, there you go.
Good boy, baby.
There you go. There you go. Oh, dry. Oh, please. Oh, yeah.
Good boy. Good boy.
Oh my god, this dog. Alright, people, so I'm ending the vlog here now. Fell asleep on the couch and we are going to bed now. Then we start watching a movie and I will fall asleep in like 5 minutes again. So that's it for today. So have an amazing night, sleep well, talk to you guys tomorrow. Cheers.